Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact interpreter and launching idle without subprocess isolation. First, run Python v and where Python to ensure the executable matches expectations. Once done, launch idle with Python m idlelib n so you skip the separate subprocess that often fails. This isolates the problem. Then disable any Python startup or site customize hooks temporarily, because custom startup code frequently causes subprocess import errors. This gives you a clean environment to diagnose the root cause. You now look for module conflicts and damaged libraries that break the idle subprocess. First, check your project and working directories for files named like tkinter, py, sys, py, or idlelib that shadow the standard library. Move them away. Then force reinstall core packages or the full Python distribution. On Windows, use the installer repair, on other systems pip or your distro package manager. Make sure to run Python v and capture the import trace so you see exactly which import failed and why. That tells you what to replace or remove. You finish by validating and cleaning up residual issues. Test idle again with Python m idlelib n. Once that works, try the normal shortcut or idle command. If startup still fails, check and reset path and Python home for leftover entries that point to old installs, then reboot to apply changes. If problems remain, create a fresh virtual environment or perform a clean reinstall of Python. This removes hidden config problems. Troubleshooting tip: if errors persist, run with verbose import logging and inspect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.